weather, weather. The weather is nice today. Season,
season,
my favorite season is autumn because of the beautiful colors of the leaves. Temperature,
temperature,
the temperature is quite high today, reaching 30 degrees Celsius. Climate,
climate,
the climate in this region is generally mild, with moderate temperatures throughout the year. Rain,
rain,
it's raining heavily outside, so don't forget to bring an umbrella. Snow,
snow,
the children are excited to play in the snow that just fell overnight. Wind,
wind,
the wind is strong today, making it feel much colder than it actually is. Storm,
storm,
a severe storm is approaching, so it's best to stay indoors until it passes. Cloudy,
cloudy,
the sky is cloudy today, but it doesn't look like it will rain. Sunny, sunny. It's a beautiful sunny day, perfect for a picnic in the park. Fog, fog. The fog is so thick that you can barely see in front of you. Hail, hail. The hailstorm damaged the crops in the fields. Thunder,
thunder,
the loud thunder scared the children during the storm. Lightning,
lightning,
the lightning lit up the sky in a spectacular display. Rainbow,
rainbow,
after the rain stopped, a beautiful rainbow appeared in the sky.